guys, a very good evening, and we are back after a week break. Okay, and as I discussed that today what we are going to start is the most important chapter of your syllabus, that is journal. Okay, give the heading journal, JOURNAL, journal. Okay. Now see, keep that question sheet what I have given you 3 chapters का together. Page number 21 देखो, journal का starting part is there. ठीक है? A little bit of theory is there on the first page. Journal. Now listen. We have done introduction to bookkeeping and accountancy. You have done everything. What is transaction? What is entry? What was entry? Meaning of entry was what? Recording the transactions in the books of accounts. Now today onwards we will see how to record the transaction in the books of accounts. Okay? For that you have to maintain a book called as journal. Now if you see the starting line, journal word is derived from the French word jour, J-O-U-R, which means day to day. So journal means nothing but it is a recording kept of transactions which are done on a day-to-day basis. Journal is also called as book of prime entry or origin entry. Very important for objective MCQ, true or false. It is called as book of prime entry or origin. See that third line. Underline that. Book of prime entry or origin entry. It is a book where you maintain day-to-day transactions. Okay? Then see the last line. Business transactions are first recorded in the journal and then transferred to to ledger. Now the next 2 chapters, this chapter journal, and after that we will do ledger. Both are interconnected. Without doing journal, you cannot do ledger. Without doing journal, you cannot do ledger. Now what is the difference between journal and ledger? Same thing what we did earlier for bookkeeping and accountancy. Journal precedes ledger. Ledger follows journal. So without journal, there can't be ledger. Journal is a book of primary entry and ledger is a book of secondary entry. I had given this example earlier, again I am giving you. Say for example, this is my book of account. My transaction is say purchase and cash. I purchased goods, I paid cash. So what I'll do, first I'll record it here. How to record? That we will see in 10 minutes. I'll record it here. Which are the 2 things what I told in the example? Purchase and cash. So first I will record it here. This is my journal. And from here, it will go in purchase account. It will go in cash account. Look at me, understand. My 2 accounts are purchase and cash. I first recorded here. So this is my journal. Journal may say it will go at 2 places. 2 account क्या है? Purchase and cash. So one goes to purchase and one goes to cash. So it is going in the purchase account and cash account, that is ledger. And initially where I record it is journal. So journal is a book of origin entry where the transactions are first recorded, and after recording the transaction in the journal, then it is posted to the respective ledger. Suppose salary cash hai. First you will record it here. Then it will go in salary account, cash account, that is ledger. Suppose machinery and cash here. First you will record it here, that is journal. Then it will go in machinery and cash, that is ledger. So that is the meaning of journal. Derived by French word jour, means day to day, and it is a book where your day to day business transactions are recorded. Now there are some important terms which you should know for this chapter and next chapter. Most of them you know. Debit, credit, you know what I told you. Debit means recording on the left side of the account, and credit means recording on the right side of the account. यहाँ पे you don't have to prepare account, but journal में there will be a column of debit and credit. So the meaning of debit is recording on the left side of the account, and credit means recording on the right side of account. Posting. Posting is nothing but transferring from journal to ledger. What I told you. यहाँ पे purchase to cash है. So देखो, purchase में जाएगा, that means I have posted. When I remove it from the journal and put it on the ledger, it is called as posting. Posting means ट्रांसफरिंग फ्रॉम वन बुक टू अनदर. मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा परचेज टू कैश. इट गोज टू परचेज मतलब आई हैव पोस्टेड इन परचेज अकाउंट. इट गोज टू कैश मतलब आई हैव पोस्टेड इन कैश अकाउंट. So for this chapter, posting means transferring from journal to ledger. First, transactions are recorded in journal and then transferred to ledger. That process of transferring from journal to ledger is called as posting. Next, folio. Folio accounts में is nothing but page number. अभी देखो ये तुम्हारे सामने journal का sheet है, correct? What is the page number? 21. That means this is the folio. So folio in accounting language is nothing but page number. Page number का मतलब होता है folio. Journal folio is journal का page number. Ledger folio is ledger का page number. Important for objective. Narration you all know very well. We have discussed earlier. When you record a transaction, when you pass an entry, you put a brief explanation that is called as narration. So a brief explanation of the transaction recorded is called as narration. Brief explanation of transaction recorded is called as narration. Entry, recording the transaction in the books of accounts. We have done this earlier. Entry means nothing but recording the transaction in the books of accounts. And casting, accounts mein casting is called as total. When you do the totaling, of course now you all have calculators and computers, but there are cases where you have to do the totaling. So when you do the totaling, it is called as casting. You all are in FIJC. FIJC and SYJC में calculators allowed नहीं है. When you go to FI degree college में first year से you can use calcs, but FIJC and SYJC दोनों years में calculators are not allowed. So when you are studying accounts in FIJC and SYJC, when you do the totaling, that is called as casting. So casting means nothing but taking the total of whatever accounting work you are doing. When you take the total, it is called as casting. So these are the words which are important not only for this chapter but also in the next chapter. Now if you see on that page number 21, the first question is there. There are around 10 transactions, but that I am not doing today because I want to go very slow. I have already put on the group the question where I want to just do 5 transactions today. Today I want to make it very simple. So once you get today ka thing na, next time we will take that first and the second sum, or I'll do one sum and second sum I will give you for homework. Okay? Now see the question what I have dictated. What it says, from the following transaction, मैंने लिखा shortcut में, देख क्या नाम दिया था मैंने. From the following transactions given by Mr. Aman, pass necessary journal entries for the month of September. This is called as journal. Why? Because the question has specified to pass journal entries. When the question says pass journal entries can be passed only in the journal. When the question says pass journal entries, it can be passed only in the journal. So what you have to do, first you have to prepare journal. Now they will give you the name or they may not give you. किसका नाम दिया मैंने starting में, देखो transactions of Mr. Aman. So what you will do, heading दे दो journal of Aman. Heading दो journal of Aman. Some people also write in the books of Aman journal. That is also fine. Or you can straight away write journal. You see आगे जाके what your college does, accordingly you do. ठीक है? So journal of Aman. Now listen. You will prepare journal. कैसे करना है? ध्यान से सुनो. Let me do first, then you all बाद में वापस. Margin you will use for date. Margin you will use for date. After that, particulars. Particulars का width will be bigger. Particulars का width will be bigger. Okay? Then see. Then what you will do? After particulars, there will be a very thin column, एकदम पतला column, where you will write ऊपर L नीचे F. This means ledger folio. Very thin column, एकदम पतला column, where you will write LF. Then see, margin का जो size था ना, that size का 2 columns, debit brackets में rupees, credit brackets में rupees. ठीक है? See, I'll repeat. Date, particulars, LF, debit, credit. Debit brackets में rupees, credit brackets में rupees. Okay? Don't worry, I'll send a picture and I'll send a picture of the notebook also of the student so that you'll understand कैसे करना. Just 2 minutes, students are preparing now. थोड़ा इसको बढ़ा दो, ये साइज का कर देना. नेक्स्ट टाइम चलेगा, इट्स ओके. नेक्स्ट टाइम रुपीस रुपीस, डेबिट रुपीस, क्रेडिट रुपीस. Got it ना? Margin for date, particulars, a very thin column, LF. Why thin ना? Because this will always remain blank only. Practical life में when people maintain accounts, that time they'll put the page number, but in your syllabus it will be remain blank only. It is just a presentation. And debit brackets में rupees, credit rupees, which will be equal to date का size और margin से थोड़ा बड़ा. Debit and credit का size, breadth should be equal because इसमें amount लिखा जाएगा. Okay? Clear? Now see, I have given you 5 transactions. This is for the month of September. As I told you, ट्रांजैक्शन के पहले जो डिजिट है दैट इज डेट. पहला देखो 5th है, सो दैट 5th मीन्स you have purchased goods of 10,000 on 5th September. That 5, 8, 18, 24, 30, that is nothing but dates. Okay? Now, what we have to do, listen very carefully. Test में I had kept 10 mark का sum, याद है? Classification, I had done exercise, 25 transactions थे. Identify the accounts affected. Then classification, personal, real, nominal. Decide debit or credit with reason. That only you have to do for the full chapter. But you have to do that and present it in the form of journal. You have to do that and present it in the form of journal. Okay? That's the reason I am going very slow, only with 5 transactions, so that next time you all revise this and we can go very fast with that. ठीक है? See the first transaction का date क्या है? 5th September. Now listen. So first write the date. Now there are 2 ways of writing the date. I'll do as per my way, then after the sum gets over, I'll tell you another way. 5th September 20. Okay? Write in the date column 5th September 20. अभी देखो. What to write here? That we have to see from the transaction. What is the transaction? Purchase goods for 10,000. Amount भूल जाओ right now. Purchase goods. Tell me which are the accounts affected. बोलो.
Purchase account and cash.
Purchase goods मतलब one account is purchase account and second is cash. ठीक है? Purchase and cash. बोलो. Classification. Purchase account is nominal account. Cash is real. Purchase is nominal, cash is real. बोलो. डेबिट क्रेडिट. नॉमिनल का रूल क्या है? डेबिट द लॉसेस एंड एक्सपेंसेस, क्रेडिट द गेन्स एंड इनकम. एंड रियल का रूल है डेबिट व्हाट कम्स इन, क्रेडिट व्हाट गोज आउट. सो परचेस अकाउंट, it's a nominal account. Debit the losses and expenses. I have paid money, so it's an expense. So can I say I will debit purchase? Okay, so one thing is sure, I debit purchase account. I am purchasing goods, so can I say I will pay cash? When I say I am paying cash, money goes out. If money goes out, cash will be credited as cash goes out. Clear? Revise हो गया? So purchase account, nominal account, because I paid the money, it is an expense, therefore I debited. Cash, I am paying money, it is going out. Credit what goes out, so cash I will credit. सो परचेज डेबिट एंड कैश क्रेडिट वही लिखना है बट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ जर्नल. अभी देखो कैसे लिखोगे. फर्स्ट, विच इज द अकाउंट टू बी डेबिटेड? परचेज. करेक्ट. सो आई विल स्टार्टिंग से ओनली. आई विल राइट लाइक दैट. परचेज अकाउंट डेबिट. ठीक है. आई राइट लाइक दैट. परचेज A/C, short form of accounts. You will put a line and write like that DR. Okay, I'll repeat. देखो, जो भी अकाउंट डेबिट कर रहे हो, so purchase account, put a line. Some people don't put a line, but it is a normal trend to put a line. And then towards the end of this column, write there DR. So purchase account debit. Now this is the line of debit. So what I'll do, amount कितना है? 10,000. So I'll put that 10,000 in the column of debit. So 10,000 I will put it in the column of debit. Getting it? So purchase account debit 10,000. This is the way I write debit. I'll repeat again. जो भी account है, name of that account, A/C, that is short form of accounts. Put a line DR 10,000. Now what is credited? Cash. Double entry है. Minimum one account has to be debited and one account has to be credited. Remember, there can be many debits, there can be many credits, but the amount of debit and credit has to be same. So can I say cash will be credited? So अभी देखो कैसे लिखोगे. Purchase you wrote from starting, correct? Now you will leave थोड़ा space and write like that. To cash account. Getting it? Debit आएगा starting से and credit आएगा थोड़ा space छोड़ने के बाद. So to cash account and this is credit. तो इसके सामने you will put 10,000 in the credit का column. ठीक है. So 10,000 आएगा डेबिट के लाइन में परचेस अकाउंट के सामने and I have credited cash. So to cash account 10,000. Got it? Clear? This is the way we write transactions in the journal. So purchase is debited, cash is credited. So purchase, the account which is debited, that I write first. So purchase account debit, amount will come in the debit column 10,000. Cash को credit किया है. So next line थोड़ा space छोड़ने के बाद to cash account credit के column में 10,000. And every entry के बाद you have to put a narration. You all have studied कैसे लिखना है. We'll write it here. Next line में you will put a bracket. Narration always starts with the word being. So write a being. अभी देखो transaction क्या है. What is the question का transaction? तुमने क्या किया है? Goods purchase किया है. So you will write being goods purchase. Getting it? This is the way you record journal entries. Got it now? I'll repeat. Purchase को debit किया है तो write like that. Purchase account and line DR, put 10,000 in the column of debit. Next line थोड़ा space छोड़ो. To cash account credit के column में 10,000. Narration being goods purchased. ठीक है? Being goods purchased. This is the way you will write your journal. Clear ना? Don't worry, it will be very simple. And याद रखना, till the time you are studying accounts, FIJC, SYJC, आगे जाके degree, each and every year journal will come in some of the other chapter. Journal will come in each and every chapter, but in a different way. Columns यही बनाना है, but transaction will keep on changing. You are in FIJC, तुम्हारे basic transaction होगा. Then as and when you reach advanced level, transactions keep on increasing. Got it? Clear? This is date. Now take the next one, which is the next transaction 8th. Now see what you will do. After every transaction, you will leave a line. ठीक है? I am just putting line on the board. तुमको ऐसा करने का जरूरत नहीं. You can just leave a line and write the next date, 8 September. ठीक है? For you all, no need to put a line. You can just leave one line. ठीक है? Not necessary that it has to be in order. When the day when you do transaction, वो दिन पे लिखना है. And suppose there is no transaction on a particular day, then there is no need to write. ठीक है? 8 September. Now see, what is the transaction given? Paid telephone charges 2000. बोलो, which are the accounts affected? Paid है मतलब cash account. What have you paid? Telephone charges. So one account will be telephone charges. So my accounts affected will be telephone charges and cash. My accounts affected will be telephone charges and cash. Decide. Personal, real, nominal. Cash we know, real. Telephone charges, it is an expense. Telephone bill pay करोगे, expense मतलब nominal account. So cash real, telephone charges nominal. बोलो, cash क्या किया? Pay किया. We paid cash. Cash went out. So can I say cash account will be credited? So cash will be credited and telephone charges is an expense. Nominal account debit the losses and expenses. So what we should do there in the column what we did earlier, debit telephone charges because it's an expense, credit cash because cash goes out. So one thing is clear, telephone charges debit and cash credit with 2000. अभी उसको जर्नल के फॉर्मेट में लिखना है. ओके, कुछ नहीं करना है, सिंपल वे. व्हाट इज व्हिच अकाउंट इज डेबिटेड? टेलीफोन चार्जेस. सो यू विल स्टार्ट अगेन फ्रॉम स्टार्टिंग ओनली. टेलीफोन चार्जेस अकाउंट डेबिट 2000. टेलीफोन चार्जेस अकाउंट डेबिट 2000. जो account, the account which is debited, start from the starting account, put a line DR, again leave some space. 2 cash account is credited, so 2 cash account credit के column में 2000. debit के line में amount in debit column, credit के line में amount in credit. Got it all of you? ठीक है. Now what you have done? You have paid telephone charges. So narration लिखोगे being telephone charges paid. Being telephone charges paid. Getting it? यहाँ पे there can be 2 debits, 3 credits, anything can be there, but initially 1 or 2 days I am just focusing on basic sums only. Clear? तो याद रखना, डेबिट एंड क्रेडिट एवरी ट्रांजैक्शन में अमाउंट हैज टू बी सेम. देखो 10 डेबिट 10 क्रेडिट, 2 डेबिट 2 क्रेडिट, इट ऑलवेज हैज टू बी सेम, अदरवाइज यू हैव मेड अ मिस्टेक व्हाइल रिकॉर्डिंग अकाउंट्स. याद रखना, अकाउंट का कॉन्सेप्ट इज डबल एंट्री सिस्टम. सो एवरी ट्रांजैक्शन मस्ट हैव एटलीस्ट 2 इफेक्ट्स ऑफ डेबिट अमाउंट एंड क्रेडिट अमाउंट. ओके, नेक्स्ट 18th, सोल्ड गुड्स 20,000. Okay, so next transaction I put the date 18 September 20. बोलो, which are the accounts affected? Sales account. You are selling goods, so sales and cash. ठीक है. When you sell goods, name is not given. It has to be cash sales. So one is sales account, one is cash. Cash real, sales nominal. I am selling goods. Goods बेच रहा हूं. So can I say मुझे पैसा आएगा? So it's an income. So sales is an income, nominal account. Goods बेच, I sell goods. If I sell goods, against that I will get money. Money comes in, पैसा आ रहा है. So cash real account, cash is coming in. Cash real coming in. Debit what comes in. So cash account I will debit. Sales is an income, nominal account. Debit the losses and expenses. Credit the gains and income. So I will credit sales account. Okay. So my entry will be cash is coming in. So first I will debit cash account. कितना amount? 20,000. And second I will credit sales account 20,000. Now listen ना, when you are right ना, क्या करना मालूम है? If possible, try as far as possible to put zeros one below the other. मतलब for presentation only. ये देखो ये 3 zeros, ये 3. As far as possible, try to put it one below the other for presentation purpose only. Getting it ना? So पैसा आ रहा है, money coming in, so I debit cash. Sales is a nominal account income, so you credit sales account. Narration being goods sold. ठीक है? Narration being goods sold. Clear with this? Okay? Next, 24th. Received commission. चलो पहले डेट लिख देते हैं. 24th. बोलो. What you will do? Received commission. Accounts. Commission account. And when I say receive मतलब cash account. See starting में ना 3-4 days you will have to do this. बाद में क्या करना है? After 4-5 days you will not need to apply automatic entries. तुम्हारे माइंड में बैठ जाएगा. Starting में 4-5 days it will take. You have to identify rule apply करो. Once you do that ना, from after few days ना, automatically entry will be made up in your mind only without applying the rules of debit credit. ठीक है? Okay. So commission and cash. Cash real. बोलो पैसा आ रहा है. You are receiving or paying? Receiving. Cash is coming in. Cash real account. Debit what comes in. Credit what goes out. So I debit cash account because cash is coming in. Commission is nominal account. It is an income. Debit the losses and expenses and credit the gains and income. So my entry will be what? I debit cash account and credit commission. I'll repeat again. Cash is coming in. Debit what comes in. So I debit cash account. Commission is an income. Credit the gains and income. So I credit commission. ठीक है? So my entry becomes पैसा आ रहा है. So I debit cash account. Amount is 3,000. So cash के लाइन में 3,000 and next line 2 थोड़ा space छोड़ के commission account credit के कॉलम में 3,000. ठीक है? So cash debit 3,000 to commission account 3,000. ठीक है? Being commission received. ठीक है? Being commission received. Getting it now? So cash is coming in. So we debit cash account and commission is an income. So we credit commission account. This is journal. You have to record debit and credit in the form of journal. Remember the next chapter ledger. जब तक journal नहीं करोगे you can't do ledger because ledger के लिए सबसे पहले journal is very important. I'll be doing around 20 odd sums in this. तो समझो at least 10 to 12 lectures will go in this journal chapter only. ठीक है? Next, last वाला purchased furniture 30th September. बोलो which are the transactions? मतलब which are the accounts affected? Furniture and cash. Remember purchase नहीं आएगा. What I told you? The word purchase account will come only when you're buying goods. The word purchase account will come only when you're buying goods. If you buy an asset like furniture, machinery, then you will use that particular account. So when I say purchase furniture, it will not be purchase account, it will be furniture. So my account is furniture account and cash account. Can I say furniture, cash? Both are real. Sorry, both are real. Debit what comes in, credit what goes out. बोलो क्या आ रहा है? I am purchasing furniture. Furniture is coming in. So furniture account debit and cash is going out. So cash will be credit. ठीक है? So furniture आ रहा है So furniture account debit, that is 5,000 to cash account 5,000. Furniture account debit 5,000 to cash account 5,000. Narration. Being furniture purchase. Narration. Being furniture purchase. Got it now? Again I repeat. Apply the rules normal way on the account which is to be debited. Start from the starting. Write that account A stroke C, short form of accounts. Put a line and write the word DR. Some colleges don't prepare line, that is also fine. And the amount, put it in the column of debit. Next line, leave some space, write 2. The word 2 is always written against the account which is credited. In this case, cash is credited to 2 and uska amount in the column of credit, and narration may be telephone charges paid or whatever is the transaction. Got it? This is the way you will do journal. And one more thing now, after you finish everything, end में total लेना है. देखो कैसे लोगे total. If you see, whatever is there on the debit side, same is there on the credit side. So automatically total same आना चाहिए. Okay? अभी देखो just we'll do 10 and 2 12, 12 and 20 32, 35, 43,000. ठीक है? 5 and 3 8,000. Sorry, 12, 32, 30, 40,000. 10,000 and 2,000, 12,000, 12,000 and 20,000, 32,000, 32 plus 3, 35, 35 plus 5, 40. दोनों साइड सेम है, ठीक है? 10 plus 2 plus 20 plus 40,000 total. Now what you do? After the last transaction ना, सेम लाइन में तुमको टोटल लिखना है 40,000. सेम लाइन में you will write 40,000. देख लो पहले. And below this 40, you will put a line. And उसके नीचे और एक लाइन. That means it is a symbol of totaling. And यहाँ पे साइड पे write the word total. ठीक है? दोनों साइड का total has to be the same, and you will use the word total. Getting it? ठीक है? This is the way you will do the totaling. याद रखना, दोनों साइड का टोटल सेम है. यहाँ पे ट्रांजैक्शंस आर लेस. सम स्टूडेंट्स हैव अ हैबिट, एक साइड का टोटल लेके वही टोटल्स दे पुट ऑन द क्रेडिट साइड. डोंट डू दैट बिकॉज व्हाट विल हैपन ना, समटाइम्स यू मस्ट हैव मेड एन एरर. सो चेक दोनों साइड का टोटल, सो यू विल कम टू नो वेदर यू हैव मेड अ मिस्टेक और. क्लियर विद दिस? सो दिस वाज द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ जर्नल. As I told you, I am just doing this one sum today. I could have easily done the first sum, but we have sufficient time. I want to go slow, so we will go आराम से. We'll continue now on Thursday, and before you all attend Thursday का class, see to it that you all are thorough, 100% thorough with this sum, because फिर यहाँ से क्या होगा? You have to write this way only, but the transaction will keep on changing. Debit credit change होगा. Sometimes there will be 2 debits, 2 credits. There will be 4 debits, 3 credits. That will keep on changing according to the transaction to transaction. Apply the concept. You will find it very, very interesting. As I told you, now we are into the main account only. From now onwards, each and every practical chapter you have till the time of your FIGC. Okay? So today being the first day of journal, I'm just doing this much. I'll stop here. I'm purposely cutting down today so that you all get thorough with this 5 transaction. Practice it properly. Picture आ रहा है group में. Solve करो बराबर and see how to prepare the columns also. ठीक है? Margin use करो for date. Particulars will be biggest in terms of width. LF पतला देखो हमेशा blank ही रहेगा. So you can make it as thin as possible. जितना पतला you all can write LF उतना पतला करो. Blank ही रहेगा. And then debit credit at least equal to the size of margin. थोड़ा बड़ा करोगे तो भी चलेगा, but the size of debit and credit has to be same. ठीक है, ये जो पार्टीशन का लाइन है, दिस इज नॉट दैट लाइन, ये बोर्ड का पार्टीशन का लाइन है. क्लियर विद दैट? ठीक है. So, अच्छा, now as I told you that I will try to increase the duration. Thursday I will tell you that whether I am taking 3 days or 4 days a week, and on what days I will take, I'll update on the group. ठीक है. Thursday I will take a call, and your papers I have not yet checked. The reason is that TY का exam started yesterday only, so another 1 or 2 days I will be busy with them, solving the doubts and all that. But by end of this week I will solve all the papers, and I will send you all your marks and the solution का pictures if possible. ठीक है. So that's it guys, we meet on Thursday now, but before Thursday please revise this some only. ठीक है. Take care.